Hello and hi to everyone. I, along with my team friends, are here to present the science activities through social distancing during this crisis of epidemics. We will be presenting our work.
Hi everyone, my name is Shami Akhtar Pradhani and I am from class 5 section A. Today my topic is how science is useful in our daily life. Science is a systematic and logical study towards how the universe works. Science is a dynamic subject. Science can also be defined as the systematic study of the nature and the behavior of the material and physical universe based on observation, experiment and measurement, and the formulation of laws to describe these facts in general terms. Science is one of the greatest blessings to the mankind. It has played a major role in improving the quality of living of the man. There are different types of sciences like physical science, life science and applied science. Science is involved in everything like cooking, eating, playing, breathing, driving, etc. The fabric we wear, the brush and paste we use, the talcum powder, the shampoo we apply, everything is in the consequence of science. Life is unimaginable without science. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Purab Agarwal. I read in class 4 and my project is on safety rules at school. As we know, there are so many safety rules and we should follow at school. But I am going to say about few rules. Firstly, we should not run inside a classroom as we get hurt. Secondly, we should not climb desks and chairs as we fall. Thirdly, we should not throw anything inside a classroom. It makes our classroom dirty. Fourthly, we should not run up and down the stairs as we get hurt. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Purba Mandal from Happy Convent School, Dhubri. Today I am going to explain about safety rules at playground. Two girls are swinging in a swing and two more girls are standing. First girl is standing in front of the swing and second girl is standing in a side. First girl is wrong because we should keep away from swings when they are in use. Second girl is right because she is standing in a side. Now next picture. Two girls are sitting in a seesaw and they are playing. If one of them jump off a seesaw without informing the other girl, then it can be occur an accident. So we should never jump off a seesaw without informing our partner. Now I am going to give some more examples of safety rules at playground. Don't push each other while playing. Don't play rough games. Wait for your turns in rides. Thank you everyone.
This is my science project. Safety rules at home. Clean and dry the floor and put the mat. Otherwise we might slip. Never run on the wet floor. We should not play with fire. We should not fire. Never turn on the gas stove. We should not use any sharp object. We do not operate any electrical appliance with wet hands. Thank you, ma'am. Hello everyone, I am Hardik of class 5 from Happy Convent School, and today I am going to explain about soil erosion and conservation. Soil erosion. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface. It consists of a mixture of rock finely ground into powder, water and mineral, and a variety of living and dead life forms. It cells the natural medium of plants. Most soil contain four basic components. They are water, air, mineral particle and organic matter. But the fertility of soil has been decreased significantly. This is mainly because of soil erosion. The natural removal of soil by the action of water or wind is called soil erosion. The disappearance of topmost surface and large ditches in the ground are the signs of soil erosion. The most common factors are water and wind movement. Water flowing through the ground carries away the soil with it. During rain, the soil particles detached, and by raindrops, the soil particles are carried away by the running water. Floods are also the main cause behind the soil erosion. They are the agent responsible for soil erosion is the wind. Wind picks up the final soil particle and takes it to the other location. During storms, the heavy wind takes away the bigger soil particles, and that causes soil erosion. Though soil erosion is an itself a naturally occurring process, but in many cases include by human activities. Some of these include deforestation, overgrazing by animals, improper or excess amount of farming, etc. So next is soil conservation. Looking after the soil and preventing its erosion is called soil conservation. Soil forms at a very slow rate over hundreds of years, so it is important for us to protect and look after the soil that covers the earth. I want to thank all of you for watching our project. Thank you and have a great day.
I thank you my teammates for their beautiful cooperation and presentation for the activity. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay sound.